Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Morphe Holiday palette. This is the Morphe 35X Big Primpin palette. The packaging of this is so cute, all baby pink, and there's like metallic rose gold on the lettering. So I love that. So there are 35 shades in this palette, and just look at this palette. This is so gorgeous. All the shades in here look so wearable. So you guys can see there's a really good combination of matte shades and shimmery colors. And like we all love a wearable palette. And this one just looks like something that you could wear every single day. And I have been dying to try this one out. So let's get started. So I already have my lids primed with a little bit of concealer. So I think I want to do like a sharper edge on the outer corner of the eye and then like add some glitter for sure out of this palette. First I'm going to swatch a couple of shades though for you guys so we can kind of see what we have to work with. This shade is called Prep Work, and just look how pigmented this color is. Now I'm going into the shade All Luxe, which is a more pink shimmer. And let's try one more. Let's go into the shade Bling to Life, which is this shade right here on the edge. And I just have that color on my pinky finger, and it looks like a more of a copper kind of color, but also slightly rose gold to me. I don't know, it's really pretty. So first I'm just going in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and using the shade Glam Room, which is a matte shade. I'm just going to apply this shade to the outer corners of the eye and blend it into the crease a little bit. I'm using the shade Mirror Check, which is a matte shade but has a little bit more of a pink tint to it. I'm just going to blend that right over top of the shade we just used. And I am blending this just at an outward angle. And like I said, I want to create a sharper edge, so you could either use tape or like hold a card up and blend against that, but I'm just going to go in with a thin eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use the shade Smoke Show, which is the darkest matte brown shade in the palette. I'm just going to create an edge on the outer corner of the eye, and then just blend that inwards. And now that we just have the shape of the eye that we want to go for, I'm going to go into the shade Going Somewhere, which is a matte brown. A Morphe M433 brush. I'm blending this against that shade and sort of working it into the crease. Then I'm going to deepen that up a little bit more by using the shade Epic Edge and just blending that shade right over top. Going in with some concealer on a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to apply this to the inner half of my lids. So using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go into this matte cream color called Power On, and I'm just going to set the concealer that we just applied with this. And now that that is set, I'm going to go in with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm using a Morphe M166 brush, and I'm going into the shade All Luxe, which is that shimmery shade that we swatched earlier. It's just a really creamy formula, and I think it's going to look really pretty on the eyes. I'm only going to apply this along the center part where the matte cream color kind of meets all these neutral shades on the outer corner. I'm not going to apply this all over the lid. I actually want to keep the inner part of my lid more matte today, so I'm just applying this to that part of the lid only. I'm going to use a little bit of the shade Prep Work on my ring finger. I'm just going to tap this right to the center of that lid to really add a super pretty highlight. And then using the shade So Gorge on a small eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to blend that along the lower lash line. And then I'm just going in with a little bit more concealer and just cleaning up the outer edges. So now for lashes today, I'm using my Kiss Flirty Lashes and just applying these using my Duo Eyelash Glue. And now I'm just going to go in with some black pencil liner and line my waterline. Now I'm just adding some mascara. I'm also going to line the inner corners of my eyes using some eyeshadow as well, but first I'm going to do my face makeup and bake under my eyes just so that we don't end up smudging that inner corner liner. So I'm going to be using my Benefit Cosmetics Hoola bronzer and just bronzing my face up. And now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and bake my face. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of blush to the apples of my cheeks and the tip of my nose. And then I'm just dusting all this powder off. And like I said earlier, I'm going to add an inner corner liner. So I'm using the shade Smoke Show, which is that matte dark brown shade. And now using a pencil brush, I'm going into the shade Born to Stun. And just placing that on my brow bone. So I added some Kylie Cosmetics Ice Me Out highlighter, and now I'm just going to line my lips using a NYX nude lip pencil. And then to top that liner, I'm going in with a Morphe Coca Cola lip gloss. This one is in the shade Share, and I'm just applying that right over that liner. And this is the finished look. I really think that this is such a gorgeous holiday palette and definitely something you can use all year round, not just for the holidays. It just has a bunch of really great colors to create so many different gorgeous looks with, so I definitely would recommend this one to you guys. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!